You have to show that for all A and B, which is a member that is an element of R meaning real numbers, AB is less than or equal to 1 over 2 A squared plus B squared. Now we have to prove, we have to show that this is true for all real numbers. Now, one thing about the real number is that we got to be very, very creative. We got to think. Then we have to note that A squared, we got to note that A minus B squared is always greater than 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now, this is going to be equal to 0. A minus B squared is going to be equal to 0 if A is 0 and B is 0. True? Okay, yes. Let's say A is 0, B is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 raised to power 2 is 0. So it's equal to 0 when A is 0 and B is 0. Now let's see A as 1 and B as 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1. You see that? Minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1, which is greater than 0. So this is true. This is true. So now by expansion, we are going to expand this A minus B greater than or equal to 0. Now when we expand, we have A squared, A times A times minus B minus AB, minus B times A minus AB, minus B times minus B plus B squared is greater than or equal to 0. Now from here we're going to think of what to do. What should we do? Now we're going to collect lighten and solve. We have A raised to power 2 minus 2AB. Minus AB minus AB is minus 2AB plus B squared is greater than or equal to 0. Then from here we're going to watch. We are given AB, A squared plus B squared. Now this is A squared, B squared. So you've got to bring them together to give you A squared plus B squared. You see that? Then we got to bring this minus 2AB to the other side. That is greater than or equal to 2AB. You see that? Now, from here, we're going to proceed to the next step. That is to divide by 2. When we divide by 2 here, 2 cancel 2 here. You see what we have to have? We have this A squared plus B squared divided by 2 is greater than or equal to AB. Now you see that this looks like this. Or we can restructure it like this. This is A squared plus B squared over 2. Can be written as 1 over 2 A squared plus B squared greater than or equal to AB. Now you take note of this. If A is greater than B, then B is less than A. You got this? Okay, let us use a number. Let us use a number here. When we have 2 is greater than 1. What does this mean? This means that 1 is less than 2. So that is going to be what we're going to employ here. So we can have AB is less than or equal to 1 over 2 A squared plus B squared. So